Good morning, viewers. It's the Colonel speaking to you live from the Grange, British Imperial YouTube Broadcasting. And today we've got some George Formby. Don't all turn off at once. This one is Our Fanny's Gone All Yankee. Yes, viewers, I know. That's why I'm playing it.
Fanny ain't the girl she used to be. The Yanks have surely carried her away. Although she comes from Wigan by the sea, you'd think that she was born in USA. Oh, she's very fond of spam and she's always sharing scram. Our Fanny's gone all Yankee, and she talks in her sleep about her boyfriend's Jeep. Our Fanny's gone all Yankee. Woodbine she used to smoke, now she thinks that they're a joke. With the Camel in her mouth, she's very swanky. She drinks whiskey, gin and rum, and she's always chewing gum. 'Cause our Fanny's gone all Yankee. She never mentions e-buy gum no more. Okay, big boy, says you'll hear her say. Now Fanny says she's lots of plans in store, 'cause the doughboys promised taking her away. And she's told all her mates that she's going to the States. Our Fanny's gone all Yankee. She says she'll make good when she gets to Hollywood. Our Fanny's gone all Yankee. When in her Sunday best with Yankee wings pinned on her breast, and the stars and stripes embroidered on her hanky. She's wearing Yankee hose and she's talking through her nose. Our Fanny's gone all Yankee, and she thinks it's grand when they walk out hand in hand. Our Fanny's gone all Yankee. Hot dogs she loves to eat and have a cuddle in the street. Our Fanny's gone all Yankee. She don't wait for the dark when she wants to have a lark. In a bus or train she does her hanky-panky. And when she argues with her mum she shouts, you've had it, chum. Our Fanny's gone all Yankee.
Well, there you go. And if your Fanny's gone all Yankee, go and see a doctor. Thank you, viewers, and goodbye.